Welcome to Stonefly, our award-winning luxury lodge. On the banks of the Motueka River, this beautiful and exclusive accommodation is set in a private wilderness location. With local timber and stone and designed to have a low environmental footprint, Stonefly Lodge provides an elegant retreat for those seeking a unique experience. Many of our guests are attracted to the Nelson region by its worldwide reputation as a trout fishing paradise. Crystal clear waters, pristine rivers, large wild brown trout, and Nelson's famous blue skies provide an irresistible lure to discerning fishermen from around the world. Stonefly Lodge can be reached by helicopter from Nelson or by private hire car. Whether by air or on the ground, we can get you here quickly and in comfort. There are dozens of great fly fishing waters surrounding the lodge, easily reached by four-wheel drive. With helicopter access, we can fish dozens more world-class rivers in the Kahurangi National Park, stalking for that trophy trout. We can also provide guides whose intimate knowledge of our local waters will give you the best opportunity at pitting your skills against the wild brown trout of the South Island. From there, it's up to you. Stonefly Lodge has enjoyed visits from fly fishermen from around the world, and memories of those visits to Stonefly have travelled back with our guests thanks to some stunning shots of those great moments. At the end of a long day's fishing or a trip to one of the Nelson region's other great attractions, Stonefly Lodge offers the perfect setting to enjoy good company, fine food and wine, and the hospitality of your hosts, John and Kate Kerr. Our gourmet chef uses homegrown and local produce, including fish and game, to produce a wonderful and varied 4-course meal each evening. While Stonefly Lodge is famous for its trout fishing, it's also perfectly located for a whole range of other activities. Within an hour's drive of the city of Nelson and in the middle of 3 varied and beautiful national parks, we can help you with your plans to strike out and explore this unique region at the top of the South Island. Nelson City is a bustling but relaxed place to enjoy some shopping, arts and crafts, cafe life, or just a relaxed stroll to see the sights. Kahurangi National Park, which contains some of the best trout fishing rivers in the world, is a huge playground for those with a love of the outdoors, mountain biking or walking on the heathy track, hiking to Mount Arthur, exploring the wild west coast, kayaking or rafting on the Whitewater Rapids, or horse riding on Forariki Beach are just a few of the activities on offer. For rugged alpine scenery, Nelson Lakes National Park, to the south of Stonefly Lodge, offers some stunning walks or guided canoe tours. For those who want to take it a bit easier, there's always the option of seeing the lakes and mountains on a heli tour or even just riding the thermals. In contrast to the other 2 areas, the Abel Tasman National Park is a coastal paradise of beautiful sandy coves and crystal blue water. Many visitors choose to explore by sea kayak. But there are many less strenuous ways to get about the park, by water taxi or private charter boats. Whether you join us for the world-famous fly fishing or to explore our beautiful region, Stonefly Lodge looks forward to welcoming you to what we are sure will be a wonderful, memorable experience.